everyone, I'm Casey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 healthy post-workout protein-packed breakfasts. So if you're anything like me, you might have finally mastered how to lay out your clothes and get up early in the morning and get in that early morning workout. But the one element of a healthy morning routine that somehow always seems far too high maintenance to get down is getting a healthy breakfast in after you work out. It's particularly important when you work out to get protein into your body within 45 minutes of your workout. That's because that's when the body is most ready to absorb the nutrients and replenish the muscle after you've broken it down. So these 3 recipes are not only healthy, low in calories, and high in the right amount of macronutrients, but they contain ingredients that can all be purchased at your local neighborhood Target. And if you're anything like me, you pretty much end up at Target at least 3 times a week. Target, Starbucks, SoulCycle. Those are my homes. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy these 3 recipes for healthy post-workout protein-packed breakfasts. For my first recipe, we have my healthy egg and avocado toast. For ingredients, I'm using an English muffin, and these are the Thomas brand light 100 calorie varieties I got at Target. An avocado, some seasonings, and that includes salt, pepper, and paprika, and an egg. Egg and avocado toast, the macronutrient breakdown is 240 calories, 15.5 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of protein. For my second recipe, we have my vanilla oatmeal bowl. This takes a small thing of oatmeal, 1 banana, a nectarine, 1 packet of Vega vanilla protein powder, and some cinnamon. Oatmeal bowl brings in, again, at 240 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 50 grams of carbs, and a good old 16 grams of protein, thanks to that Vega protein powder. And last but not least, we have my favorite strawberry banana smoothie recipe. For ingredients, you're going to use a cup of almond milk, some spinach, the rest of your banana, the rest of your protein powder, and some frozen strawberries. Strawberry banana protein smoothie is only 175 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of protein. The total cost of all these ingredients was $20.60, and it's enough to make you 5 of my morning breakfasts and have plenty of leftover eggs and frozen strawberries, spinach, and almond milk. So to make things extra easy for you, I also prepared you a shopping list. It's linked down below as a PDF and a JPEG. So you can put that shopping list onto your phone, and then when you go to Target, use the list, buy the right ingredients. It'll save you a lot of money because it's Target, people. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. The macronutrients, the shopping list, everything I mentioned, they're all linked down below because knowledge is power, so I gave you as much information as I possibly could. Please sure to hit subscribe, hit the like button, all those things that YouTubers tell you to do, and notifications, turn those on. I hope you enjoyed the recipes. See you next time, or see you at Target. Bye.